Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video. Lovely people, you will see in this video stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. So you will see in this videos modern beautiful home decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded new stylish landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. Do you have new ideas of unique home decorations ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how's my videos. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy new stylish home decorations ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. You will see in your top 50 plus trending and unique garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish home decorations ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like this one stylish garden decorations ideas, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Marvelous and stylish and trending unique landscaping designs, pebble stones ideas, rock stone designs. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish garden decorations ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end, so you will see new attractive and trending landscaping designs, beautiful unique garden decorations ideas. You will see stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. So you will see all addictive and trending home decorations ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. You will see stylish unique home decorations ideas. I'll try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy new trending landscaping designs. I will meet you in next video, so take care.